Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today math puzzle will twist your brain and boost your skill. Are you ready for it? If a square plus b square is equal 10ab, find the value of a plus b by a minus b. At first glance, this looks simple, but the trick I am about to show you will blow your mind. Let's solve it together. First of all, recall the two algebraic identities, that is a plus b whole square is equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. And the other algebraic identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now let's suppose x is equal to a plus b by a minus b, which implies x square equals a plus b or a minus b whole square. So this will become x square equals a plus b whole square, means a square plus b square plus 2ab, and divided by a square plus b square minus 2ab. Substitute the value of a square plus b square equal 10ab plus 2ab and divide by 10ab minus 2ab. So 10 plus 2 is 12. 12ab by 10 minus 2, 8ab. So this is 4 by 3 by 2. Now we get x square equals 3 by 2. But we have to find the value of x, that is a plus b or a minus b. So by taking the square root on both sides, we will get x is equal to 3 by 2. Now we will rationalize this because in the denominator value should be without square root. So 3 multiplied 2 will be square root 6, and this will be equal to square root 6 by 2. This is the final answer. So you will write a plus b or a minus b is equal square root 6 by 2. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for more upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad problem for 2025. Stay tuned. Best of luck for your exams.